Hello, my name is Brehon Mills, and I'd like to welcome you back to the channel. Well, not only do we talk about great stocks, but we also talk about great books. Listen to my team, Humble Family. I hope you guys are having an amazing week, and I hope all of your trades, your investments are doing phenomenal. All right, now, and I just want to respond to a guy who had hit me up, and he was talking about, you know, TSNPD was a bad deal. Why did I jump into this stock? I'm losing money. That was a waste of my time, waste of my money. Bad idea. Now, I just want to talk about a little bit of history with you guys. Now, does anybody remember when Amazon was $1.66? Do you remember when Amazon was $4 a share? Of course not. No one remembers those days. We look at the end result. We look at how much Amazon has grown. No one talks about those days when Jeff Bezos was just selling books, and the Amazon Kindle had came out, and it was just all about books, 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 books. Until he took a pivot into other opportunities, and those opportunities yielded massive profits. All right, now let's take a look at something else. Now, if you invested $1,000 in Amazon in 1977, here's how much you would have now. And this is an article written on September 5th, 2018. All right. So if you would have invested $1,000 into Amazon in 1997, with all the highs and the lows and the roller coaster ride that it's been on, as impressive as that is, original investors in Amazon, they're even better. If you had invested $1,000 during Amazon's IPO day in May 1997, your investment would be worth $1,362,000 as of September 4th, according to CNBC calculations. That's better than the so-called FANG stocks plus eBay, which debuted in that same period. Apple's gains, which was second highest at nearly 58,000%, is notable, but it has also had a 17-year head start, and its return is still less than half of Amazon. Think about that for a minute. What TSNP is doing, it's allowing the investors, the retail investors, guys like you and I, to get an opportunity to get into this awesome and amazing company at the floor level. Now, let's take a look at the stock. When we take a look at the stock chart, if you've been following my channel, I stated this. After the 4-to-1 split, the shorts were going to have to close out their positions. All right, they were going to have to buy back those shares that they sold, which they did. We got a spike in the market. And remember, the short sellers aren't into holding stock. They're not into holding stock. They are into shorting positions. So once they dumped their shares and moved on, we were going to start flattening out a little bit. All right, so and that's what we've done the last 4 days. We've come back down to the 320, 315 mark, and we've basically been flat. All right, now most of you guys that are looking for fast money, this isn't the play for you. All right, this isn't the play for you. All right, now we got to think long term. You have a lot of people out there that they're looking for a quick $1,000. They're looking for a quick $2,000. I'm looking for that $1.3 million. And I hope you are too. All right. I hope you're looking for $1.3 million return. I hope you're not looking for a quick $1,000, a quick $2,000, a quick return on on some investment so you can move on. And again, I've stated this over and over and over again. 85% of traders, they ultimately lose. All right. They may make 1,000 here. They may make 5,000 there. They may make 8,000 there. And then they take a big step, a big leap of faith, and they lose $15,000 on investment. I know, I've been there. I remember 2018, well, maybe 2019, when Trump was battling with China over the tariffs. All right. Now, I was going heavy and hard on Tesla options. Tesla was going up, $50, $100 a day. So before the close, I went in hard and heavy on Tesla options. And right before the market opened, Trump sent out a tweet about going to war with China over the tariffs. Tesla dropped $100. I lost about $8,000 that day. Then I said, well, I'm going to hold one more day. It was down another $20. I lost another $4,000. So ultimately, I lost $15,000 on Tesla options. And not only did I lose $15,000 once, I lost $15,000 twice on Tesla call options. The same thing. Trump tweeting out his war on China with the tariffs. So I know how it feels to make great money fast. I know how it feels to lose money. All right. So when I think about TSNPD, Team Humble Pay, I'm thinking 4 years down the road, 5 years down the road. I'm thinking a decade down the road. All right. So when you talk about the merchant accounts, the blockchain technology, the ETX funds, they're gonna make so much money off of every transaction. And so you're talking about billions of transactions going on yearly. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of revenue. And Humble Pay is poised to do some great things a year from now, 3 years from now, 5 years from now. Listen, family, we are at the beginning stages of something special. So we want this stock to stay around $3, $3.15, so we can accumulate shares. All right, if you can buy 10 shares, if you could buy 50 shares, if you could buy 100 shares, or if you can buy 1,000 shares, let's do it now. All right, let's do it now. All right, because once this thing takes off like a rocket, it won't be no more coming down. A year from now, you're going to be saying to yourself, I wish I had an opportunity to buy more shares. Okay. All right. Now I know I'm sitting on 4,000 shares, and I'm always looking for an opportunity to buy more shares. So I may buy more shares this week, but I'm gonna wait to see what happens, because also Humble Pay is teaming up with Digibyte. All right, with cryptocurrency. Now everyone should have a position in Digibyte also. That's just my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, but I truly believe that Digibyte has an awesome future. They've teamed up with Humble Pay. They're also working with Microsoft. All right, so we're gonna have some stuff come down the pipe for Microsoft. But again, if you don't know how to get your hands on some Digibyte cryptocurrency, check out the link in my description. I have a Bittrex account, and Bittrex is one of the places where you can actually go set an account and you can start adding a little bit of Digibyte to your portfolio. All right. Now, I really believe, cryptocurrency will be critical. It will be important in the future. Blockchain technology, it's unavoidable. It's going to happen with Bitcoin and everything that's going on with the blockchain technology. We need to make sure that we are operating in that space as well. All right. TSNPD, Digibyte. Let's make sure we are adding more and more to our position every chance we get. All right, because again, these type of opportunities come around once in a lifetime, and you don't want to miss out. You don't want to say, man, I was in that stock, I dumped it for something else, now I'm regretting it. All right, it happens over and over and over again when people are investing and they are in these great opportunities and they let it pass them by. You don't want to do that. Invest in Digibyte, invest in TSNPD, Humble Pay, and let's roll with it. All right, let's roll with it, man. Team Humble all the way. I hope this video added a little bit of value to you. If it did, please leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and keep coming back for more wealth building information. Peace.